How to fix Wi-Fi icon not showing problem on Windows 11 or Windows 10. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. And if you find this useful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. Now, the first step that you need to do is to go to the taskbar at the bottom here. Then right-click on the Windows icon. Then go to Device Manager. Then as you can see, it has already popped up. So what you're going to do here, you are going to look for network adapters. So as you can see, it is here. You are going to click on that drop down arrow. Then you are going to see the name of your network adapter wireless here. So just click on it once, then right click on it. Then you need to disable device. Just click on disable device. Then yes. So once you've done that, you will wait for at least 5 seconds. Then you will go back to the wireless network adapter, right click on it, then click on enable device. Then go to action. Then scan for hardware changes. Then once you've done that, your Wi-Fi icon should be now showing. As you can see, mine it is now showing. Again, you can also use another method. You will close this one. Then you can go to the search, then search for control panel. Then open it. Then you can go to view by and ensure that you have selected large icons. Then you will go to network and sharing center. Then it will land here. So you are going to see your internet. So click on it. Then it will land here. So you can disable by clicking on this button. As you can see, it has disappeared from this place. So you'll just go to change adapter settings. Then you'll be able to see it is disabled here. So in order to enable it, you are just going to double click on it to enable it. So just double click on it. Then as you can see, it is enabling. As you can see, it is enabled. And you'll be able to see the icon there at the bottom there. So that's really it, guys. That's how to fix Wi-Fi icon not showing problem on Windows 10 or Windows 11. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.